So Kim has a question. She says, is asking for help in your marketing appropriate for sending in a newsletter, or what medium would you recommend? Well, Kim, could you give us a bit more context? What kind of help are you asking for? What has you asked?
Yeah. So what I'm doing is I've taken several marketing research classes, but I want to be authentic in how I reach people.
Hmm.
So I was thinking the more personable way would be to go through my newsletter, who are very supportive of me. I have a 56% open rate. Instead of going to Facebook, which is not my happy place to post things like this, and my following isn't that great. So I'm just curious what you have to say about that. I'm offering different options of ideas and also letting people know that I'm kind of pivoting because my husband's going to be retiring the end of this year. So it's not like a big business. It's more of a fun, be of service to you. What do you want? Let's play kind of business.
So what do you want to ask them? Like, what's the support you want from them? You're wanting to do like a research call. You're wanting to ask questions around their needs and what they're wanting. Is it a one-on-one call? Is it a survey?
Yeah. Okay. So I said 3 ways you can help me discern what is of highest interest to you is to respond to the newsletter. I have a chat and connect marketing conversation, and I put in there that absolutely no selling or sales offer, or give me a call because I'm open to them. So I listed 4 possibilities, including an in-person possibility, ranging from ceremonies to soul collage and intuition development to creating a morning practice. So those are a couple of the options that feel really alive to me right now.
So just to make sure I'm understanding, so you are pivoting in your business and you've got ideas and you're wanting to just make sure that it's going to be something that people actually want and respond to. And so you're wanting to check with your list to see. Okay. That's great. Yes, absolutely. 100%.
Okay.
Email your list about this. And for not just, is it okay? I recommend it to people. If you are ever feeling lost, emailing your list. What we don't want to email our list for is like permission to do something or to pivot or to decide. But sometimes it's just, excuse me, it's good to hear how it's landing. Because sometimes it's the way I'm saying it is unclear, so I need to change that. Or, boy, I'm passionate, but my current list is not. They don't get it, they don't want it. So then you either decide not to do it or you realize I need to grow a different list. This is for somebody else. But information is always good to have. In decision making, I tend to think there are those 2 steps. First the facts and then the feelings. First, you just get the lay of the land. What's true? And then you have to go with your intuition at the end of the day. So yes, having lots of there's 2 places people get stuck in their niche in my experience. One is people try a bunch of stuff out there, but they never reflect on it. And the other place is they reflect nonstop and they never try anything. And so much of growing a business is a conversation with the marketplace. I had this idea. What do you think? Oh, you like that? Well, then what if I did this? And then, but it's a back and forth. It's while it may seem appealing to do that, I'm just going to meditate and channel the whole vision. Very likely that you will come up with something that the marketplace has no interest in. It'll be very meaningful for you and meaningless to the marketplace. So, yes, amen. Go for it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.